Lotus position. All right, so going into a single foot lock, and you're going to lower down, cross the legs. You can grab your foot if you'd like here, and then you're just going to lower down as you feel comfortable. Now, everybody's spot will be a little different on their leg. And the reason why is because everyone's leg is different size, different length. All right, so you're going to find your sweet spot for this. Some people's are closer to the ankle, some is closer to the knee. Never let go until you're for sure you have this correctly. Always have a spot when you try this skill. It's easy to fall out of. All right, subscribe to our channel for the newest updates.